Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we are very happy to see you here today. This is showing you a little bit what we got going on in the quilt shop. And this was, I gave a little teaser at the end of last weekend's Wednesday video. And this is how it turned out. Isn't it beautiful? Love, love, love this. I'm trying to make it stretch out a little bit here. I was trying to put it out on there so you could see it all. Lovely, lovely. And a beautiful flannel with a little mix of regular fabric here, but it's very, I love that purple, for the backing. And it's absolutely adorable. I love it, except it's very fluffy. It collects. All right, so, and you'll see some of that stitching along very soon here, and hopefully you enjoy the way it came across. I'll fold it up that in 1 second here, and then we're going to work on this beautiful giraffe project that we've been doing via live streams, and I'm donating it to our local veterinarian clinic. It's called Graham's Animal Hospital here in Hillsburg, Ontario, and I'm going to hopefully give it to them, and they can do a little raffle for it, and hopefully it brings money to their project, because they do a lot for our community. And of course our Sophie and our Clive go there to get all their up-to-dates and shots and everything else like that. So, and they're a great place. So I'm going to do this up for them, and hopefully it's well received. So I'm going to show you a little bit going on here. I'm just kind of stitching in the ditch. You can see where I've started to go along here to outline the beautiful giraffe, and I'm just going to continue on. I've got my ruler plate here. See? Got my ruler plate on, and we're just going to stitch away. Okay. But I really wanted to show you that beautiful project of Mary's. I love the colors. Very gender neutral. I like it that it could go, you know, you could give it to anybody, whether it's a birthday gift, a wedding gift, or, you know, or whatever. Oop, I forgot to put the wrong thing on. I'm sorry. Move it back over here. I need not constant stitches, but hand guide regulated stitches. There we go. All right. Okay, so now I'm back where I ended off. We're going to move it here. And then after I do this, you'll see a little bit of Mary's stitching out. It's a beautiful feather and swirl stitch out. But this is a bit of ruler work. I guess outlining or stitching in the ditch, but you definitely need to use your ruler to help guide you along the way. Outlining the horns or oh, hold on. I had the word earlier, and now I remember it. I can see the spelling of it in my mind, but I just can't say the word. The little bits at the top of the giraffe. Oh, I'm gonna be so disappointed with myself because I can't remember the word right now. It's okay. I got too much else on the brain. Just stitch this out. I hope everybody's having an amazing Wednesday. And you tune in for our live stream on Saturday, where we're going to continue on the seahorse. Will be our last seahorse, because we're making 3. And then the next one, we're going to make some waves. And then we're going to stitch it all together on Friday, the 24th. Because Pop and I are away on the 25th. So please note that. We're going to go and celebrate our 24th wedding anniversary a little early. He's got some work to do in Prince Edward Island, so I'm going to go tag along. Because I've never been that far. I've only been as far as Ottawa in my country. I've seen the BC coast. I have yet to see our very eastern coast. Right, there we go. Now we just keep outlining our beautiful giraffe. Okay, so there we go. Back where we started. And now what I would like to do is be able to just, what I'm going to outline is the plants as well, but be able just to fill in this with just fun stuff. nothing too complicated, just a couple of swirls and some echoes, and then just move on to something else. Maybe make some bit of leaves, you know, make a set of leaves over this way or whatever. But I think what I'd like to do first is be able to outline everything and then go from there, and then be able to fill in all around the gray spots just like a little free motion fun. Just fill it in. So the same thing as what we were going to do here is just outline the plant. I don't want to quilt through the plant or the giraffe head, okay? Like that, I don't know. I just don't want it. I prefer to stand out. Went through a lot of work to do that. So if we just kind of let things pop out a little bit, we can always fill in the little bits and bobs in between. Right? And if you want to give this, you can give it another echo. You can echo it out a little bit, do another 1/2 inch or a 1/4 inch from, you know, this stitching down really close to where the seams come together. And that's how I'm going to finish that project. Well, hopefully I'll have it done by Saturday so you can see it on the live stream. So you can tell it's going to take me a little bit to finish this project. Very happy to. I think it's the way it needs to be quilted out. Sometimes you just really have to think about what the project needs. I mean, we could easily just do some swirls. We could easily over the whole thing. I could set a stitch out to do just something geometric, or I could, there's 110 different ideas, I'm sure, and then another 110 more. So the options are really endless. It's only what you are happy with in the end is what's going to happen, right? I like the mix of colors on these plants. They're beautiful. Put a brand new needle on to start this project. About every, you know, second or third quilt, depending if they're really big quilts, then I'll do every 2. But if they're a couple of small ones and then a medium-sized one, I may, you know, give them a couple. It just depends on the size of the quilts is how often I change my needles. Oops. There we go. And I'll continue on, but I'll take the big camera off, and then just when I do the free motion stuff, I'll still record with the small camera so you can see what I'm going to put in the gray space as the filler. This is just white thread, both back and front, and the back is just plain white. And I have 80/20 as the batting. Like, I don't know how this is going to be used, but I wanted it to be of a, you know, good quality, right? And represent, right? Okay, there we go. All right, I'll leave that there, and you can catch up more footage on Mary's beautiful purple, yellow, and white quilt with a lovely feather stitch out. So thank you everybody for watching, liking, and subscribing. We greatly appreciate it here at the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and I can't wait to show you how I finish this all up. Okay, take care, and happy giraffes to you. Happy Wednesday. Take care everybody. Have a fantastic day. See you later. Bye-bye.